Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a winter tip here for the guys that haven't already got their batteries checked and tested. It's really good idea to have that done before you find yourself in a situation of having battery and starting issues on your truck, vehicle, or car. Anyway, what I decided to do, I went by the local AutoZone. There was plenty of truck parking for my truck and trailer there. I asked the guy to come on out with his equipment. The first guy was giving me a little bit of problem. The second guy was more than happy to help. You know, they try to use the excuse it's a semi, but basically a battery is a battery. Anyway, the guy was nice enough to come out and check each individual one. The guy's name was Tony. He was very good. This was at the AutoZone out of Rancho Cucamonga, California, and was really happy to do it. I took care of the guy.